So Upwork changes the rates again. If you're a video editor and you use Upwork to get clients, you're gonna notice that they're gonna constantly be changing the rates. I personally started working on Upwork a long time ago. I got a few clients, so it is a good place to find clients, but it's not necessarily the best place to keep them. That's key. And now they changed everything again. As you may know, Upwork had the direct contracts, which is kind of like a good deal because you can send direct contracts to your client. They don't need to have an account. They had a 3.4% flat fee, and now they changed that to 5% fee for everybody, which is crazy because even though it's a couple numbers, they literally did this out of nowhere. So the question is it worth it to keep using Upwork as a video editor? In my personal opinion, I would say if you're trying to find clients, build a portfolio, start your book of business where you can have recurring clients that give you a set amount a month, and you're in the process of building that, you may want to reach out on every platform you can. Upwork, maybe direct emails. I do think that in Upwork you can find really good clients once in a while. There are a lot of clients that are just paying nothing for video, especially now with the faceless videos. But once in a while you're gonna find a good client. That being said, I do not recommend to keep using Upwork for the same client, especially if you have a recurring client. And the reason is you never know when they're gonna change their fees. They've been doing that for a long time. Since when I first started, it was completely different and people keep complaining. I do recommend pay your first contract, pay the fee, either it's direct contract or through Upwork account. And once you finish the first project, move your client somewhere else. But then you may wonder where. Some people use PayPal to send contracts, or some people use the site escrow. So where do we move the client? I personally, when I first started, I was sending invoices to each client at the end of the month, and they will send me the money for whatever platform I choose, which was normally PayPal. But I'm here to tell you there's a better way. So after editing for 12 plus years, you start encountering these problems again and again. I encountered this problem with Upwork, I encountered this problem with other freelance sites, and I also encountered problems with clients directly when I was sending my own invoices. That's why I built my own system for my own clients for a long period of time. The difference is a lot of these sites like PayPal, they're not designed for video editors to send invoices or any of that. So when you're sending the final video, it's not like Upwork where you upload your final and then you gotta wait for them to approve it. It's not designed for that. So I built my own system, and that's micro edits. Now, after years of using the platform, I built it so that everybody can use it. So what's micro edits? In micro edits, you can bring your clients, doesn't matter from where. Upwork, your own client that you know, and unlike Upwork, they don't need to create an account. There's no other people offering editing service, which is something very important because Upwork is making you bring your clients to their platform where there's other people offering your same service. Why would you bring your client to that environment? That's a huge difference with micro edits. In micro edits, you don't even need to bring your clients. You can just create a contract with the title, description, the price that you guys agree on. You can offer them reviews, which is something extremely important we have to talk about because this tool right here is gonna change the way you offer reviews, and you're about to see that. After you put all the information in the contract, you just hit send and your client will receive an email with the contract. Without the need of having a micro edits account, he can pay directly. They can pay with their card, the same way that they will pay you before, but they pay right there. And what micro edits does is we make sure that you get paid for what you do. I heard so many stories of people, including myself, that at the beginning when we were learning, we decided to maybe charge the client at the end, and surprise, surprise, you edit the video, you didn't get paid, or you got paid less. I can tell you right now, me personally, I experienced this a couple of times. I was very surprised. And with micro edits, that is never going to happen. That's exactly what it was designed for. This also gives peace of mind to your client because in many occasions, you don't want to charge them up front, especially if it's a new client, because there's not trust built between you two. This platform offers you that trust because they can have the peace of mind that they're gonna get their work and you're gonna get your money for the work. So after your client pays for your video, the contract starts. At that point, micro edits gives you 50% of your money when the contract starts. So what happens when you submit your final? When you submit your final, you're gonna be able to withdraw your money, and depending on what you offer, I met many editors that they like to offer unlimited reviews for free, which it could be a huge problem, especially depending on the kind of client you have. I also seen clients that charge hours for their work when it comes to fixing things. You always hear of the friend that is an editor and had a client make him change the music only, and ends up having to re-edit the whole thing.
Is it easy? No. Do I like it? No, I don't. But do I do it? Yeah, I do.
Well, some people charge it for that. If it's your own mistake, maybe you don't want to charge for that. And that's when MicroEdit is going to help you a lot, because once your client receives the final, it's going to send them to the review tool if you choose to offer it. You can also just get free reviews or not offer reviews at all. But if the client goes to the review tool, here you have the choice to charge for any specific edit that you feel is worth charging. Like for example, maybe changing the music is so time consuming that you want to charge because you think that's gonna take you half an hour and that's your hourly rate. Or you can just offer all the changes for free. Once the client inputs the changes, if he has to pay for any, he has to pay right there and you get your money right away. Or he can just choose to have no reviews and get his video right away. But if he chooses to have reviews, you're gonna be able to see the time codes where your client input the reviews. And once you're done with the changes, you will be able to upload the final and change the review tool prices again if you need to, depending on what round of editing this is. Maybe now you want to start charging, maybe the first round you want to give the edits for free and the second round you want to charge a little more. That's your choice, but you can edit the review tool at any point before sending the final. Once the final is done, you submit it. If your client happy with the video and there's no more reviews, he will be able to download his video. But that's the best part about MicroEdit, because now he's not only gonna be able to download his video, but he's gonna be sent to this tip page. If you ever get Uber Eats or almost every new app in the market right now, you'll see that you have a tip option. The service industry should always have a tip option. I guarantee you, a lot of your clients, if they're not tipping you right now, they wish they could. Especially when you make a great video. There is a wedding video that was incredible, a family video, a YouTube video that gave them millions of views. Your clients want to tip, but they don't have the option right now. Now with MicroEdits, they do. They will be sent to this tip page where they will be able to input whatever tip they choose to, or not tip at all, and they will be greeted with a thank you message. So yes, like I said, Upwork is changing everything. The fees keep increasing, and the reason for it, all the people with experience knows that it's because they hold the market. They control the market completely. They don't really have to worry about competition because there's not real competition. So they can increase fees, charge for more stuff. So that's why I recommend maybe still use Upwork to find clients. And if you find a client on Upwork, bring him to MicroEdits. MicroEdits is currently available for anybody at microedits.com, and we're currently fully operational, but we're on beta version. So any feedback is appreciated. We're not only going to take it into consideration, but we're going to be working along all our users, which are editors, to create new tools. Because who have better ideas than editors ourselves to create new tools? Leave your feedback, join the platform, and save yourself from those awkward fees.